African women on the front line, organize, educate, liberate, celebrate.
Viva, comrade, viva. More power to the women, more power. More power to the men, more power.
Viva, comrades, viva.
We are in Kajiado County implementing the RITAI project, a project which is funded by Royal Norwegian Embassy and URAI together with PAWA 254.
So the project was necessitated by the fact that without accessibility of information, citizens are not able to participate as it should be. They are not able to participate meaningfully in all decision makers, be it the budget making process or even the legal process in the country. So we felt, or the consortium is working to ensure that all citizens are able to access information. That is why we're working very closely with Commissioner on Administrative Justice or the Ombudsman to ensure that their mandate in ensuring Article 35 of the Constitution is met, as well as working with organizations like URAI who ensure that human rights defense or human rights are protected. And that is why we're working with human rights defenders to ensure that they are protected or their systems are strengthened and improved.
It's a very engaging program where we're engaging in various issues, looking first at the access to information, ensuring that the citizens together with UCBEA are able to get the right information and also disseminate information. This leads them to engagement, ensuring that they engage in county government processes, all public participation initiatives, and ensure that citizens are empowered and keep on engaging. It also covers the issue of service delivery monitoring, where the citizens work constructively with the county government to ensure they monitor the performance of leaders and also service delivery in the county, looking at the issue of rights, health, education, and all other services which are being delivered in a county.
Personally, for me, one of the best things that I've seen in terms of RITAI is increased capacity of the community members being able to advocate for their own rights, and especially using activism as for advocating for those rights, whether it's spoken word, writing, poetry, music, or even short films and photography. It's been truly amazing to see the participants using art to basically advocate for social change and to fight for their rights, and again, basically using their creativity in ways that the status quo may not necessarily expect. So still advocating for their rights, but using new tools and new forms of action. So, and I think that's the beauty and the power of activism, is that you can do it anywhere, anytime, with anyone. It opens room for collaborations, and as we're seeing, is more non-formal ways of engaging with democracy as we go over time, and activism is one of those things.
Long ago in a faraway land, kulikuwa na King Alrol na mighty hand. Alipendwa na wote, his praises were sung. From mountain peaks to valleys sprang. Alikuwa mtu wa watu, humble and wise, a servant of God with truth in his eyes. Alikuwa na maneno sweetest na promises bold. Raia walimwaminia heart and soul, but power ni poison, it twists the mind. Soon mfalme akaacha virtue behind. Akagrow overconfident na deaf to their cries. Akasahau raia na ngori zao vulai. Sheria alipitisha zilileta nothing but pain. Citizens were strained.
And first of all, kudos to PAWA 254 for actually convening us here today and hosting this forum for us. Also, kudos to the Norwegian Embassy in Kenya here for actually providing us with the opportunity to actually engage with the duty bearers, different duty bearers across Kajiado County, and also hearing from the different HRDs. And most specifically, the Gen Zs were also represented, which is a positive thing to see. Isikuwe tu maandamano peke yake, but we are also represented and we are also learning each and every day.
Basically, coming to the PAWA 254 training, it enabled me, it helped me to understand how to advocate for issues in the community, not necessarily going for maandamano, because you find that issues like the GBV, police brutality, there's a way, a channel we can follow that we can use to advocate these issues. And what I learned is I also knew my primary stakeholders who I can approach, where maybe write a referendum, maybe attend these referendums, and also channel with people, network with people to understand or to know like how to articulate these issues.
Thomas Isidore Sankara once said that there is no true revolution without the total liberation of women.
I'd rather want to say I thank the organizers that brought us here for giving us opportunity to speak and educate others and educate ourselves on matter gender and what human rights is all about.
The trainings that we've been receiving have been very instrumental in uplifting the capacity of human rights defenders from this region to be able to articulate issues in citizen forums with an aim of getting solutions to some of the community concerns.
My key takeaway is to see the duty bearers, including the area MCA, the sub-county officer, the public health department, ward administrators, are really appreciating the work of human rights defenders, because this is something that we have not seen happening as expected. This is good work, PAWA. We are very proudly associated with you. We keep on confirming and committing to our support. And let's keep the fire burning.
PAWA, kudos.
Viva, PAWA, viva.
More power to organizing, more power.
Viva, comrades, viva.
Viva, comrades, viva.